What does it really mean for a product to be safe? At HSN, the answer lies in how it's made. That's why we operate under GMP certification, Good Manufacturing Practices. It's an international standard based on the Codex Alimentarius, which was set up by the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, and the World Health Organization, WHO, to guarantee food safety worldwide. GMP certification defines how food products should be manufactured to ensure that they are safe, consistent, and of a high quality. What does that look like on our day-to-day basis? Facilities operating under strict hygiene and cleaning protocols, effective pest control systems, equipment that is constantly inspected and maintained, ongoing training for every member of our staff, full traceability allowing every product to be tracked from the origin to the customer, and a rigorous control of every stage of the production process. For HSN, GMP certification isn't just a standard to meet. It's the foundation that allows us to guarantee every product delivers exactly what it promises. Because when we talk about quality, we're talking about trust. And that trust begins long before the product reaches your hands. HSN, quality controlled from the source.